Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a project share of the double stitch hexagon metal die set I received from scrapdivadesigns. You can find this die set at scrapdivadesigns.com and get a 10% discount using my code prisgemicinc for 10% off your entire purchase. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. Here is the hexagon double stitched mini album. I layered it and it's multi-layered, and there's like small hexagons all the way up to this big hexagon. It's really useful. You can make many things out of these hexagon stitch, and this is what I came up with. And I was like really loving this. I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside, and yeah. So here is the first small one, and I added some sequins to make it a shaker, and it looks really cool. I added this butterfly, and it came from those last year's butterfly toppers, bag toppers. As you can see here, I've got like a sample here, and that's where I got one of the butterflies that I made. And there's like several sizes, so I put it on the small hexagon and decorated it, and on the side as well. And the second hexagon, I made it clear so you can see through the next scenery, and there's like a flower here, and there's a bee, and this flower is from the set, also from this release, the Amaryllis flower, and it's really pretty, these flowers. And I added some more decorations around here, and when you flip it over, it'll have the same mirror image from the front. It's really cool. And so and also from the February release is this Love Bundle nesting set, and it's like a beautiful lace frame, and I added this embellishment onto this hexagon page, and it's also clear. I used acetate to make these hexagon binding here for the hexagon pages. It's so neat. And this leopard or cheetah is from my stash. And when we turn over, it's like the exact mirror of it. And it's really neat. And then here we have another hexagon. It just gets bigger and bigger, and it's really interesting because you can see through and layer the pages, and yeah, tells you a story of this woodland garden sort of theme. This is this paper collection is from Maggie Holmes, Woodland Groves, and yeah, and it had these are from my stash, the selfie pot and the oranges. And here we see those amaryllis flowers again, and even using just one one layer is like beautiful. It looks like an orange, the flower of an orange. And so here it is, and you see these heart planter picks, and I've decorated it some more, and I figured out how to make this charm not flip over to the up to the top by drilling another hole here. So there's two holes, and I put the jump ring in between those two holes and close it up so it doesn't like flip over the charm, so, and it still moves. It's really nice. And so here, this heart planter pick is also from the February release, and it's like perfect for this selfie pot, and I just put it in here. It's like really cute. And the back is the mirror image of it, and here's another one that I decorated, and also there's a charm there as well. And you can put that in the planter pot, just like that. And finally, we have this last page, and this is also from my stash, this greenhouse, but yeah, it's like a shaker. I made it into a shaker. It looks really cool. So this page really fits like really nice embellishments, and you can make it as a mini album for your photos. And yeah, and I also made the back a pocket so you can store stuff like your photos or mementos and notes. And I also have this planter pick. You can put it in there too. Show you as an example, like that. So this is the hexagon, the double stitched hexagon. And yeah, I hope you like this project that I made, and you could find this die set at scrapdivadesigns.com, and also the discount code prisgemicinc for 10% off. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!